Okay, so now that we have our layout planned out, let's start putting in some imagery and type. So I have my box where my images are going to be placed selected. So I'm going to go into File, Place, and I want to look for the folder in which I would like my images to be taken from. So if I click on those images and hit spacebar, I get a preview of the types of images I would like to use in my layout. Okay, so I'd like to start with this image right here. So I'm just gonna click open, and you'll notice that this is kind of a large format right here. So what I'm gonna do is, and this is a large image, so what I'm gonna do is select this and go into, I believe it is fitting, and you want to fit to content proportionally. Okay, so that's the type of image I would like to see. Now, if you notice, the frame itself of the image has the blue outline. If I just select the image itself, it's the red outline, as you can see. Okay, so I don't want to touch the blue frame, I want to touch the red frame. I just want to make it a little bit bigger just by holding down the shift key so that no distortion happens to the image, like so. And then I can pull this down and see where I want my image to be cropped. Okay, so that's the first image. Then I would like to use a second image. So I'm going to select this box right here, go into File and Place, and I'm going to go with something like this. I'll click Open. Notice how it's much smaller. So again, I'll go into Object, go into Fitting, fit frame proportionally. That's also another way of doing it instead of doing it manually. And when you get this disc up here, you can either shift this more towards the left or to the right. So you're still maintaining the proportions that you have, yet you're just looking at how the image works within that frame. Okay, so that's for imagery. For the next video, I'll go into how we lay out type. Okay?